باب يؤذن الإمام على المنبر إذا سمع النداء. In other versions it is, what do you have? يجيب. So يؤذن meaning he should give the adhan. Who? Al-Imam, the Imam, على المنبر, on the minbar, إذا سمع النداء, when he hears the nida, when he hears the call. Obviously the Imam, when he hears the adhan, he is going to say the adhan. What does it mean by that? He is going to repeat the adhan, meaning he is going to respond. Alright? And this is why in other versions it is yujibu. He will respond. So the Imam will respond to the call where? على المنبر. While he is sitting on the minbar. إذا سمع النداء, when he hears the adhan. Meaning the Imam, when he comes to the masjid, he sits on the minbar. The mu'adhin gives the adhan. Imam does not need to stand at that time. What should he do? He should be sitting. And the rest of the people also, what should they be doing? Sitting. Right? And while they're sitting, what should they do? Talk amongst themselves? Because people say, oh, there's a few minutes left until the khutbah begins, so talk as much as you want right now. No. At that time, what should be done? One should listen to the adhan attentively and respond to it. How should he respond to it? Let's find out. حدثنا ابن مقاتل قال أخبرنا عبد الله قال أخبرنا أبو بكر بن عثمان قال أخبرنا أبو بكر بن عثمان بن سهل بن حنيف عن أبي أمامة بن سهل بن حنيف قال سمعت معاوية ابن أبي سفيان وهو جالس على المنبر. He said that I heard Muawiyah رضي الله عنه, who was the son of Abu Sufyan, وهو جالس على المنبر, while he was sitting on the minbar. Why was he sitting on the minbar? Because he was a khatib. He was the Imam. أذن المؤذن. At that time, what happened? أذن المؤذن. The mu'adhin, he made the adhan. He made the call. قال الله أكبر الله أكبر. The mu'adhin said, الله أكبر الله أكبر. قال Muawiyah, while sitting on the minbar, he said, الله أكبر الله أكبر. قال, the Imam said, أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله. فقال معاوية وأنا. Muawiyah said, and I also. Meaning, I also testify that there is no God worthy of worship but Allah. فقال أشهد أن محمد رسول الله. When the Imam said these words, فقال Muawiyah said, وأنا, and I also. فلما أنقضى التأذين, when the ta'dhin, the adhan was over, قال, Muawiyah said, يا أيها الناس, O people, إني سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. I heard the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم على هذا المجلس. On this majlis, on this seat, on this minbar. حين أذن المؤذن. When the mu'adhin was giving the adhan, يقول, he was saying, ما سمعتم مني من مقالتي. He was saying what you heard me saying right now. Meaning, I heard the Prophet ﷺ say the exact same words which I said right now. Why did Muawiyah say this to the people? As if he's encouraging them. As if he's teaching them. That when you hear the adhan, say these words. Respond to the mu'adhin. He's calling you. Answer him. He's saying something good. You should also say something good. Alright? And why should you do that? Because the Prophet ﷺ did that. And these words also, Muawiyah radhiyallahu anhu saying, وَأَنَا, it shows that the Prophet ﷺ also responded to the adhan in this way. When the mu'adhin ends the sentence, so for example, he says, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. He's taking a breath. In that time, you say, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Right? So, you don't say it with the mu'adhin. You wait for him. Okay, after each sentence, then you respond. Okay, so what are the words of responding to the adhan? Exactly the same. Except for what? Hayya ala salah, hayya ala al-falah. What do you say at that time? La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Now, look at the beauty of the sunnah. When the Imam says, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, it's a fairly long statement compared to Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Right? So, how did the Prophet ﷺ respond? Muawiyah said that he said, وَأَنَا. And I also. Sometimes you may have a cold, or you may be tired, or you may be deep in your thought, and all of a sudden you realize the Imam is, he's going to begin the next phrase. So what should you do at that time? Don't miss out on responding, وَأَنَا. But at least say something. At least respond.